Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Firstly, just open the device's settings and scroll down to access theme and lock screen. Now click on My Theme and pick Online. Finally, select the best theme for you over here. I will go with this one. When you're ready, click on Download, wait a couple of seconds and tap on Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to bring back your default theme though, access settings again, tap on theme and lock screen, choose my theme, and tap on this default one. Lastly, hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!